Why everyone wants the next big stock. Welcome back to the podcast. If you've ever wondered why people seem obsessed with finding the next Nvidia, Tesla, or Apple before everyone else does, today's conversation is for you. Is it really about making money, or is something much deeper happening inside the human brain? To help us answer that question, I'm joined by one of the world's leading voices in financial psychology, behavioral finance, and investor decision-making. After decades of studying why people make irrational financial choices, they've uncovered patterns that explain why even smart investors often chase the wrong opportunities. So here's my question. Why does everyone seem to want the next big stock, even when history shows that chasing winners often ends badly?
Because we're not just investing with our wallets, we're investing with our emotions. Think about it. Imagine two conversations. One person tells you they quietly earned a steady 12% return over the last 10 years. Another says they turned $5,000 into $500,000 on one incredible stock. Which story grabs your attention? Exactly. Our brains aren't naturally attracted to consistency. They're attracted to extraordinary stories. We evolved to notice unusual opportunities because thousands of years ago, spotting something rare could mean survival. Today, that same instinct makes us believe the next life-changing stock is just around the corner. Then dopamine joins the party. What's fascinating is that dopamine isn't simply the chemical of reward, it's the chemical of anticipation. We get excited imagining what could happen. Buying the next big stock often feels thrilling long before it makes or loses money. The possibility becomes addictive. Now add social media. Every day you're surrounded by headlines like, "This investor made millions overnight," or "This stock could be the next giant." What you don't see are the thousands of people who quietly lost money chasing the same dream. That's called survivor bias. We celebrate the rare winners and overlook the silent majority who never made the news. History repeats this pattern over and over. The dot-com bubble, cryptocurrency frenzies, meme stocks, different names, same psychology. Markets change, but human nature hardly does. Professional investors understand something that's surprisingly boring. Extraordinary wealth is often built through ordinary habits: patience, diversification, discipline, time. Those qualities rarely trend online because they don't create viral headlines, but they quietly create millionaires. One question I encourage people to ask before buying any stock is this: am I investing because I understand this business or because I don't want to miss out? That single question exposes fear of missing out faster than any market indicator. Ironically, the greatest investors spend less time searching for the next big thing and more time avoiding costly mistakes. They know protecting capital is often more important than chasing spectacular gains. The market will always offer another exciting opportunity. What it won't always give you is another chance to recover from an emotional decision. In the end, investing isn't a battle against the market. It's a lifelong conversation with your own psychology. Master your emotions, and you've already gained an advantage that no stock tip can ever provide.
That was such a refreshing perspective. Maybe the next big investment isn't a stock at all. It's learning how your own mind works. If you enjoyed this conversation, subscribe for more insights into the psychology of investing. Leave a comment sharing the biggest investing lesson you've learned, and check out our next episode, where we'll explore why patience may be the highest return investment you'll ever make. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.